café or something. Wow, look at that. Wow. I wasn't expecting that. That's very nice. Hello fellow rebels and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going for a little spin up to Rathgormack, going to the village bar actually, village bar and cafe. The locals actually stopped it being closed down because I think the family that had it before, I could be wrong here, the family that had it before were retiring, I think, and they wanted to keep it open so the locals would have a social, you know, place to socialise and stuff like that. I think pre-COVID maybe. And so I'm going up there, support local business and go for a spin there, have a tea, have something to eat up there, and yeah, just generally support people for doing a good thing for their community, you know. So that's what life is all about actually, isn't it? Friends, community, all that kind of stuff as well. So and it's in Waterford as well, so it's a good thing to do, you know, to help people, to support our local business, and they do good. So let's see how we go. I look forward to seeing you. I've not been in Rathgormack on my bike. I haven't been in Rathgormack in a long time either, actually. I played there a couple of times in matches and stuff like that, but it's been a long time since I've been up there. Actually, my dad got me a pair of boots for Christmas there one year. Now they were cheap as AF, let's say, and I took a free kick and they fell apart, literally fell apart. So that was the debut of them boots, and that was the end of them boots, all in one go. But yeah, it was never not cold up there, and today is like 6 degrees, so it is cold again going up there. But sure, look, it's par for the course, huh? There is one thing worse than being stuck behind a big truck, is you're on a back road. It's even worse. So we'll take our time, we'll not do anything rash until we can see the road. If anyone was here from the start, you remember I done a video on Kilbunny Church, which is here, and I'll put it up on a card there now as well. So Kilbunny Church is up there, cool little place. Like I said, I put a card up there, and it's a cool little place to go visit on your bike as well. So yeah, that's it. That's what I do, just to show you. Alright, walking up this way, so suppose the fucking place can't see that. Whew! The dodgy old roads, aren't they? Them ones. Can't see much out. Nice fight. Sound out. Thank you. Top man. Got me the Mahagut. Thank you in Irish. Where is this? This must be Clonee, is it? Wow! Whoa, 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 whoa! This is beautiful. Wow. Yeah, what do you say? River Clodagh. Cool. Really nice.
In a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just
So welcome to Rathgormack. It's been a long time, guys. Here we go. Nice. Maybe not great for the bike, but sure, look, be grand. Whew. So let's go in here, have a cup of tea, something to eat. Yeah. Oh, looks like it's closed. Are you closed?
Yeah, no, 4.
4, anyway.
Beer or coffee?
Huh?
Beer or coffee?
Tea.
The cafe or the shop up the road.
Oh, the shop was up the road, yeah?
Coffee machine and sandwiches that we need.
Lovely stuff.
Alright, right.
So most days you're open at 4, is it?
Yeah, well, till the summer now, the cafe will be open a bit.
Yeah.
By the time March, I'd say.
Alright, perfect. No bother. Thanks, bye. Right. Disaster. The place not open until 4 o'clock. I came up here for that. So, plan B. I'm going to go back to plan A and see if there's anywhere there I can stop on for something to eat and a cup of tea. Sure, look. There'll always be a plan B. You might just make it up as you go along. Let's go. Balls anyway, but sure, look. What can you do? What can you do? On the road again. Ah, we come back another day. Oh yeah. Come back another day. And we go that way as well, so we go on more of an adventure up here. And I was saying some days you have to work for your tea. Yeah, well, we have to find a place now where we can stop and have a cup of tea and something to eat. So it'll be somewhere new. And I'd say in Clonade the bar won't be open either, or somewhere to eat probably, because a lot of them won't open before. Hopefully like there's a cafe or something. Wow, look at that! Wow! I wasn't expecting that. That's very nice. Looking holy well and everything, huh? Yeah, let's go into the town here and have a look and see if there's anything here. Cool little town though, isn't it? Clancy's, right, that's closed. Yeah, not a fucking place open here either. Okay. Oh, we stumbled across something. Ah, never a wrong turn. It's just a turn to find somewhere nice, somewhere cool. Yeah, I'm going to stop in here. No idea what this place is, but we're going to find out. I need to go back the way anyway, so I'll just stop here. I have water in my bag and I have some chocolate bars in the back as well, actually, now that I think of it. So if there's no place open, let's see what this place is. We'll have a look. There's probably an entrance on the other side, but okay, so we had a little look around in there. It's just the ruins and stuff, but I'm not sure whether I captured the video on it or not. But yeah, it's mad. All different bits of stone put together, not one that's the same. Wow, it's such a pity these places go to a racking room, isn't it? That's someone, a load of people busted their asses to have it up and love to know the history of it as well. It's just a pity it's just standing there in the sky, no real use. It's a pity. Anyway, back on the road, so we have to go back this way. We're heading this way because we needed to turn safely, so back this way to Clonea, back up through and hopefully find a cafe somewhere. Probably end up back in Waterford City before I get a cafe. Hopefully not. Yeah, nice little dip there. See, you have to be careful, you know. I just pulled across that road there now as brown bread. So you got to be careful. I didn't even see that until I turned around. That's why on these country roads you have to make sure that you're really ready and that your sight is everywhere, you know. So I had it pulled out there just as I was coming up to it. I had no intention of doing it anyway, but if I had pulled it out there, that car was baiting around the corner, I was brown bread. All because my vision wouldn't have been there. So take your time. You don't need to be a hero on the roads, especially the back roads. They're unforgiving. It's still the Wild West. It's 2022, but the back roads and the back places, you know, a lot of drivers, not everybody obviously, but a lot of drivers on them are wild. really need to stop in here and have a look around. There's some beautiful things around. Yeah. Gonna head back into the comedian there now. It's never a wasted journey, although I would have liked to have something to eat there in Rathgormack or Clonea, which I suppose in the countryside there's no point opening there any time before 3-4 o'clock, is there? So, oh well. Sometimes we don't come easy. Some days it don't come hard. Some days we don't at all. But these are the days that never end. Been again. Right, we're going to go in here for something to eat. A cup of tea. Woo. Go on, the meatloaf, bite. Top man. Right, let's go in for some tea and some tea. Feels so nice. So, that was an adventure and a half today. That's why spontaneous random adventures are the best, and the back roads then as well. So thanks very much for watching, and until the next video, Deise rebel out.